Morning, guys. It is me, Katie, and I'm still in bed. It is 10 o'clock. Can y'all see? No, you can't see. Oh, there you go. It is 10 o'clock. I'm still in bed, and I didn't go to bed till like 1:30 in the morning last night because I closed, and then I can't like just come home and go to bed. I have to kind of wind down. So I didn't go to bed till like 1:30 last night, but it's such a gloomy day outside. I don't know if y'all can tell through the window, but it actually looks kind of sunny, so I'll probably have to actually go outside and show you, but it's just a gloomy day outside and I don't want to get out of bed. I'm off today. I have makeup left over all over my face from last night. I don't know when this vlog will go up, but last night was Halloween. And I didn't really have a costume, so I just used my cat ears from my Veronica Lodge video, and I just made myself a cat for work. But I have makeup left over all over my face. But I gotta get up and get ready for the day. I have 2 videos I want to film today. I want to film a what's in my purse and a hairstyles video. We'll see how they both go. No promises they'll be up. Also, while I'm talking about videos, I keep being asked about a Stitch Fix video because in my last vlog I was shipping a Stitch Fix and I don't have it recorded. I had it for too long. I couldn't open it and have time to film it and everything. I didn't have an off day while I had it. So I don't have a Stitch Fix video, so I'm sorry about that, but maybe soon I will make one. But I want to film those 2 videos. I'm going to go vote for governor today. And those are my plans, and it doesn't sound like a lot, but it'll turn into a lot. Especially when I get downstairs and see that there's still dishes in the sink and laundry to be done, and there's a lot to do, and in this weather I keep waking up stuffy, so I guess I should quit talking and get out of bed, but we'll see about that. I might just go back to sleep. Okay, it is 10:37 and I'm actually getting up now, I think. Ooh, that lighting though. And I need to brush my teeth. Okay, clean teeth. I wonder what my hair looks like if I take it down. Please look good, please look good, please look good, please look good. I think I can try to work with this, but I think I put too much oil in it last night. But I'm gonna try. So, let's go have some coffee. Good morning, Messy House. Let's see. What mug do I want to use? I feel like I always use my Fabulous mug in videos, but that's just because it's my favorite. I'm gonna use it. I can only use it when I drink coffee at home because it doesn't fit like in my cup holder in my car or anything, so I don't get to use it that often. And of course, my favorite coffee creamer, which I have told you guys about before in a favorites video. I will never drink another coffee creamer again in my life. Let's see how gloomy it is outside. It's pretty gloomy. Yes, my eyes are watering because I keep yawning. That's what the coffee is for. It's pretty gloomy outside, but it doesn't feel chilly, so that's kind of good. No shivering. Now I have coffee. I'm not hungry yet, so I think I'm gonna start getting ready to like film and deal with my day, and then I'm gonna eat breakfast. Okay guys, so my vlogging camera battery is about to die, and I guess I left my charger in Savannah. So I'm gonna have to try to go to Best Buy today and see if they can get one, and then I'll try to still keep you guys updated for my day. But I did want to let you know, where did I sit? Hang on. They were in my lap. That's embarrassing. I did want to let you guys know when you see my purse video that I am switching my Cinderella lipstick that was in my purse today to my Ariel lipstick and my Bippity lip gloss from the ColourPop collection. Okay guys, so it's been a good bit since I saw y'all because the battery died. I had to go to Best Buy and they didn't have what I needed, so they sent me to a battery store. So I went to a battery store and I got like a makeshift charger. Like, it's not like a good charger, it's like literally a makeshift charger, and I'm gonna have to order like another charger and a spare battery. But this makeshift charger cost me $40. Oh my god. But so I went there, I went and voted like a good citizen should do, and I also went to the grocery store and my mom gave me some stuff. So I'm just gonna show you like what I got from my mom. So basically my mom like won a gift basket at work, and she only wanted half of the stuff, so she gave me the other half. But she gave me these Libby Estate like wine tumblers. I actually already have some of these, but they're my favorite glasses, so I figured it couldn't hurt to have more. She gave me this little picture frame that says I love us, and then you just like clip your picture on there. This isn't us, but she gave me this. It's from Ross, $5.99. A bottle of Moscato, which we all know is my favorite. I've never had like this Moscato, but Moscato is my favorite, so I'll drink that. And then this like basket that all her stuff came in. This is my janky new charger for my vlog camera. As you can see, the man even had to write on it with Sharpie so that I would know how to put my battery in it. And then my other charger for my other camera. Also, in the mail at my parents' house, I had an exterior indulgence. So I'm just gonna open that. And we're gonna see what's in here. This is one of my favorite subscription boxes. Oh, someone spilled a little bit. Oh, it smells like pumpkins. This is one of my favorite subscription boxes. They just send you like monthly seasonal bath and shower items. So this one is still Halloween themed because it came in October. I just hadn't got it yet. So we got a cute little skull bath bomb. That's pretty cute. It's like blue and purple. It's called Cracked Skulls Bubble Dust. It smells really good. It smells like it doesn't smell like pumpkin, but it smells like kind of fruity. It smells really good, and it's like turquoise with blue glitter. I mean purple glitter. Super pretty. And then we got a Campfire Cocoa handmade soap. So it's like this little cupcake looking item. And it just has like It looks like a cupcake, but it's like a bar soap. Then we have a sweet caramel pumpkin sugar scrub. I actually prefer salt scrubs, and sometimes they do send them, but I still use the sugar scrubs when they send these. Ooh, this smells so good. It smells so good. I can't wait to use this and shave. And then I got the Blackest Rose Shower Gel. So it's probably just a rose scented shower gel. Let's smell it. Yes, it is. It is a full-on rose scented flower gel. So that's everything I got from my mom and from my exterior indulgence. I haven't like fully decided what's for dinner. I think I'm gonna try and make this thing that I always see on Sarah's Days vlog, like a nutrition bowl. But anyways, I defrosted some chicken and I bought some tomatoes, some salad, some apples. We have been loving grilled apples lately. You put a little bit brown sugar, cinnamon, butter, mix it all up, kind of melt it in the microwave, pour it on the apples, throw them on the grill. I also got an onion, some sweet potato, and some zucchini. So what I'm thinking about doing is chopping up the zucchini, onion, and sweet potato and letting them roast in the oven, and also letting the chicken roast in the oven, and then putting it all on top of a salad. So that's what I'm thinking about doing, but I'm not 100% yet. I'll let you guys know when I decide. So I think chopping them all up and just making like a huge healthy salad, or a nourish bowl as Sarah's Day would call it, is what I'm gonna go with. So I just preheated my oven to 420, and now I'm just gonna chop all my veggies. Just put everything on this pan, and now I'm gonna put some olive oil and salt and pepper on there and stick it in the oven. And I'm gonna cut up some tomato for the salad. Like I said, I don't know if y'all should copy me. I don't know if what I'm doing is gonna turn out good. I'll have to let y'all know after I try it, but I'm gonna chop up some tomato, and then I'm gonna start cooking the chicken. I'm gonna drizzle some oil in the pan, of course. Turn the heat on and let that heat up with some salt and pepper in it. I don't know if that does anything, but I feel like it does. So that's what I do. Don't hate the player, hate the game. I'm gonna get out my seasoning. Then is my absolute favorite seasoning, especially on chicken. The Nature's Seasoning Blend. We're almost out of it, but this is just like my favorite for chicken. I could do lemon pepper since it's a salad. I think I'm gonna do lemon pepper actually. So I'm just gonna use lemon pepper seasoning. I'm waiting for my pan to heat up a little bit. And pour it on the pan. And I am gonna sprinkle more lemon pepper on the other sides. And then I'm just gonna use a spatula and continuously stir it. Okay. Wash some lettuce. So I'm gonna get out my strainer. I'm gonna be using organic spring mix just because that's what we like, but you don't have to use that, that's just what we use. So I don't think my veggies are quite done, but I went ahead and mixed them up, added more salt and pepper, and then I'm gonna put them back in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay, so I am taking my veggies out of the oven. Okay. Okay, oven, turn off, turn off. I think they look pretty done. And I think this is gonna be a pretty good dinner. We shall see though.
Do we have cucumbers?
No.
That's one. So we'll leave this thing over. We got bacon bits left. And cheese. And Tommy apples. This salad. Yeah. Oh, it should be green. People just have like a tech that comes and check theirs like every like so often. Yeah, I want chicken chili on top. Rookie moves.
I love this. Guys, I highly recommend what I just made for dinner, and now we're gonna make some dessert. We're gonna make some apple bread, so I'll show you guys that too. Okay guys, our apple cinnamon bread is done, so I'm gonna eat dessert and then I'm gonna go to bed. So that is gonna be the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to keep seeing me, please hit the subscribe button. Bye guys.